Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a first impression of the new Too Faced Natural Born products that they released last month. So I got my hands on it on two products only. They released like lips, bronzer, and eye palettes and a face palette, and I was really interested with the face palette and the eye one of the eye palettes. So anyway, I will show you the products that I got from them. Basically these products are kind of repackaged from Too Faced, like their bronzer um, and the eye palettes. The main thing that really interested me in this whole collection are the packaging, because I'm a sucker when it comes to packaging. And so anyway, enough with the jibber jabber. So anyway, I'm gonna show you the first thing that I got from them. So I got the natural ice, and this is the packaging right here, and this is a, forgot how much this is, like this is $38, and this is the natural ice natural eyeshadow palette. So there's two palettes that they release. The other one is matte, and this one is matte and shimmer all together. So this is what it looks like right here, and this is just the packaging right here. I already use it, and I am going to insert a clip of what shadow I use on this palette right here. So this is what it looks like right here, and I just really love the whole packaging. And there's a little cute heart claps right there. It is a little bit hard to, like open it, especially when you have like long nails. I mean, it will break here and there if you're not careful. So, okay, so it's really cute. I just love the whole detail. By the way, it has a lace in it, and I will show you the palette. This is already, I mean, this has been repackaged, and I think to me it's just a little bigger than the old one. I have the old one right here, and this is the tin palette right here, and I really love this because I use it a lot. I love everything in here. I mean, so this is the old one right here. It's really pretty, and so I love that there's like some shimmers and some mattes in it that you can use for everyday. And I love the shades right here, which is kind of like sometimes a brow color up here, which is the Cashmere Bunny and Sex Press. So I haven't even really check them together to see if they're the same. Let's see. Yeah, they're the same, but this is much more bigger to me, because this is really cute and stuff like that. But anyway, the difference is right there, and then the packaging on this one is tin, and then as you guys can see, the difference is just amazingly beautiful. They're both beautiful to me. It's like a really good collector's item, and this is, like amazing packaging right here. This one is cute, so you can, travel with it. And this one is just really amazing, like the rubberized feeling of it, like the whole packaging. The back is so pretty, and then I just really love, it's just so luxe to me, and so I'm really happy that I got this for only at $38. I got this at Too Faced, and this is available now at Sephora and Ulta. The Too Faced, and I got a really good deal out of it, because they, at the time, they were giving like free free products with it if you purchase anything from Too Faced. So anyway, so I really love it. If you guys don't know the swatching of this and stuff like that, I will do that. Oh, by the way, the smell smells so good. Like, it's like candy. Oh my gosh, it's like that sweet, like you just want to lick the whole thing. Now the old one doesn't have a smell to it, so at all, doesn't have anything at all. So that's really nice. And then I noticed that there's a really big mirror, and that's really pretty and useful, by the way. And I'm just like, that's one of the things that people didn't notice about this new repackage, is the smell. There's a smell in it that, very classic from Too Faced. It's just amazing. So anyway, I will swatch the palette for you real quick. Anyway, these are the swatches right here. This is the top right here, and this is the bottom right there. It's still very much pigmented, as you guys can see. And I just really love the Silk Teddy. The Silk Teddy is much more pigmented to me and much more prettier because I don't know, it just has more metallic than the old one. But anyway, these are the swatching right here. So on my lid right now, I use the Heaven, and then I used the Strip Poker, and then I went to Cashmere Bunny, and then Sexpresso, and then I also used the Silk Teddy, which is the inner corners, and I also used the Honey Pot. Except for these two, I don't use that much right here. I don't use this that much, but the rest of them I use because they don't have a glitters and, you know, a little bit micro glitters and stuff like that. These two has some glitters and a little bit chunks of shimmers. I mean, chunks of glitters and shimmers. Maybe at night, you know, it would be good to use it. But even on the old one, I've not tried those two that much. So anyway, I don't really care. Oh my gosh, the smell, it just makes you crave marshmallow. Alright, first impression on the packaging and then the shadow. This is a really great buy. It's $38. I don't know how much the other one is, but it's probably like 32 or something like that. But I know that you're getting more on this, and it's kind of like, I think the price is a little bit up there, but just, you know, like for the packaging, I mean, it's worth it, man. And then they added a smell to it that literally, God, Too Faced nailed it again. This is an awesome palette. Love this. I'm glad I got it. I'm not a shadow girl. This is just like a basic staple for everyday. Oh my gosh, I didn't mention that the it's heavy. So let me go ahead and show you the first one that I really bought. I don't have anything like this in my collection that is just so pretty, and it looks like this. This is the face palette, and oh my gosh, look how pretty this is. Like, if you have this collection in your vanity, oh my gosh, talking about like the 60s or 80s, right? This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, the detailing of it, the, you know, has the same heart right there. Anyway, so this is what I have on my face right now. I got all the colors. I mean, I got all the shade in this colors in this palette right here. Comes with two shimmers right here. I use that together. It's not very metallic, but it has a subtle glow that is so pretty. So I combine those two shades right there because why not? And then I also use these two blushes right here. This one is really pretty. It's in my inner, and then I use this one combined with the two bronzer right here. I added this one right here. As you guys can see, it does give me a subtle bronze color, and I really love these two combinations right here, because this one, it could be a blush alone if you want to, or some sort of like a glowy bronzer alone if you want to wear it alone. And then this one right here is kind of like a light bronzer, which is good for fair light to medium skin tone, but it didn't show that much to me. But you know, I just got a little bit color out of it, so I did added this bronzer right here, so it did give me more color. So anyway, this is a really good palette right here. I will swatch this real quick. Also going to insert a clip of how I use this on my face. So the name of the first shimmer is Highlighter. It has a little bit of pink undertone to it. It's not completely like a highlight color. It has a pink ship to it that looks like a chrome looking like that, as you guys can see. I hope you can see it, but it has a pink ship to it. It's really pretty though. And then the satin sheets, this one is more of a gold. So as you guys can see, it is very very pretty, and it's not like metallic-y at all. Oh my gosh, no wonder when I applied this together it gave me like, you know, like really pretty colors, because this is not a skin tone highlighter at all. The first shimmer, the first one right here, which is the Starlight, is pink highlight, and this one is gold highlight. So I don't mind that. It doesn't have a glitter to it, and it feels creamy. So the blushes is, the two blushes are both matte, which I like because I love matte blushes. The Pink Sand is so pretty. It's for everyday color, and those are the swatches of, this is the Pink Wink, and then this is the Pink Sand. This is one of my favorite one. I'd probably wear this together for everyday because they're really subtle. The pink one is really pigmented though. I was like heavy-handed when I put this in the, in my cheeks. I'm like, whoa, I did not see that coming. But anyway, Too Faced blushes are really pretty. It's one of my favorite brand actually when it comes to blushes. So anyway, let's go ahead and continue. Alright, so the first bronzer is called the Sunny Honey, which is a little bit light, which is good for fair to light and medium skin tone, I say. And that's the first bronzer right there. They're all pigmented, isn't it? Whoa. And I'm not one to really dip my finger so hard just to do a swatching. I do it light-handed. That way I can tell if the product is, pigmented enough. So, and then the Tropic Like It's Hot. Tropic Like It's Hot. That's really pretty. So this one could be a shadow, but this is like legit bronze. As you guys can see, it has a sheen to it. And that's the bronzer right there, the last bronzer. This is really pretty alone, like I said, because you can use this like a blush bronzer way. It just totally gives your, skin that glow. Really love it. I thought that this would be like a really subtle. No, not really. It will show. So anyway, these are the that's the swatching of the whole palette right there. So it's really stunning. Anyway, so this comes with a pamphlet like there also. It says, "Face it, you're a natural," in the back. One of the things I love about Too Faced is their detailing on their packaging. I really just love when they do release products like this. It feels like they release this natural collection every spring. So anyway, how to use the palette if you don't know how to do it. And that's kind of exactly how I did it. I'm like, I'm just gonna try all this color. So anyway, I forgot to mention. Let's see what it looks like right there. I forgot to mention how much this is. I think this is the this palette right here retails for $44, and I think this is a really good price because you're getting all those shades right there, and you're not gonna cry about it because it's such a stunning color. It's on my cheeks right now. It's on my face right now. I'm gonna buy one thing in this collection. Get this one because you get this everything in this palette right here, and if you love to travel, this would be a really great friendly palette for you. The fact that it's just a really pretty palette, I can't stop adoring it. It's just so stunning, and plus it smells so good. It smells like a marshmallow. Thank you, Too Faced. I know some people are really kind of like they don't really like the way the packaging is kind of like a little bit dome a little bit on the top, so it's kind of hard to stack in, but I don't think it's gonna be that bad. Look, it's stacking together. So anyway, so this will be my first impression and a swatching of this natural collection from Too Faced, and I'm really blown away. If you are interested to get this at toofaced.com, Ulta, and Sephora. and I will link the other places that I can find this, but those are the main website that I go to that you can totally find this straight ahead. So anyway, I hope that you find this helpful and enjoy this video, and I will see you again on my next video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and to those of you who have, thank you so much, and thank you guys for giving me a little bit of your time. See you later. Bye.